We welcome you to the journey. Today is a very special show because we have here a legendary artist, Shri S.G. Vasudev, with us. Vasudev Garu has participated in a number of national and international shows, and he's a founder and managing trustee of Arnavas Vasudev Charities. Her contribution to art field is like immense, tremendous. She's been contributing to the art field right from through her career. I think being a daughter of KK Hebar, she's been into teaching. She's a professor for the past 20 years. She's been into the one of the very privileged art institutes, JJ School of Art. And besides this, she has done a lot of publications. She's given a lot of books, and more importantly, she's a very critical art critic who writes great reviews of a lot of art shows across India and internationally.
It has been a real great pleasure for me to be associated with Reeves Gallery and with Rajni Rekha. She's one of the most active art gallery owner who's doing excellent work. First and foremost, she has brought the gallery to the suburbs, to Jayanagar, and she's brought art, contemporary art, to the people themselves. The people do not have to go all the way to the town. This is a good opportunity for them to say, because her gallery is always very active with art performance and shows, conferences. And recently she has had a virtual art camp, which has been really the most needed one at this pandemic, when 25 artists participated in this, and she titled it as Prolonged Solitude. We are all in solitude, actually. We are all in prolonged solitude and are longing to come out. And when we cannot, she has done this excellent job of bringing the artist's work to the people themselves. There were three moderators. It started with Suresh Jairam, Leena Vincent, Nalini Malavi, and now she continues it with the topic Journey, which is with a celebrated artist, Vasudev. And she has many more such programs on her hand, which people can continuously see. It is really extremely wonderful, Rajni Rekha, that you are doing a wonderful work which no gallery is doing in Bangalore, and you are bringing, bonding the artist with the art lovers, which the art lovers have been really missing because they are not been able to go out to the galleries and I am very happy this evening that I get an opportunity to have a dialogue with none other than S.G. Vasudev, a great artist who, according to me, doesn't need, as you rightly said, any introduction, and whose works are also familiar to most. But probably not many know his long journey, how he began, and the various obstacles he might have faced during his journey, and also how forthcoming he is and how helpful he is, as you rightly said, to one and all. An artist who is seen everywhere, in every art gallery, every art show. He does not miss. He does not cut himself off because he is a great artist, but he mingles with one and all, which is really the great tribute to him.